Oh, what's that? Cinnamon buns just put on the fire. What's that, 30 minutes we need?
40 minutes, yeah.
See how it looks when it's done. What's that, buddy? What's going on?
Is it okay to put this on here?
Sure. Hey, look at that. Yummy cinnamon buns.
I love them.
Yeah. Wow. So here's a little tip when you're camping in a tent. It happens to be a little cold or rainy like it is going to be tonight. Grab yourself some big stones like this. Make sure they're not the shale type. Those will explode. But you heat these up. This one's cold now. Give her 2-3 hours on the fire here. And what I do is I'll stick it in this metal bucket with dirt on the bottom inside the tent. And yeah, we did it last night. Kept us warm for a good 4-5 hours. Then it got a little bit cool. But hey, it's better than nothing and it works. So what I'm gonna do is we're gonna get 2 rocks this size plus those. So I think we'll get at least 6 hours of heat. So yeah, there's a little tip. Okay, we had to change the method. It was burning the bottom. Let's see what we got here, Mama. Oh, delish. Come look at this, buddy. Look at those. Really Isn't that tasty? Come here.
So these 2 are for Dad.
Oh. Num, 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 num.
Oh, yeah.
That was mine.
Is that one yours?
Maybe a little burnt on the bottom, but they should taste just right.
Yeah, there we go, buddy. That one's
Wow, that one's yours, buddy. It's really hot, though. Don't dig in right away.
Go and sit. Good boy. Happy
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum.
Look at that. Whoa! Look at that.
What you doing, bud?
Putting a stick in.
Isn't that fun?
Yeah, watch this.
Camping, burning sticks.
Making nachos.
Making nachos. Nachos?
Well, cheesy chips.
Camping nachos? Having fun, bud? I think Oma's gonna love watching you.
How long this will burn out?
I don't know.
Watch this, Seth.
Don't!
Look at the setup we got here, hey? Not too shabby for just a tent. Maybe we'll get a travel trailer one day.
Maybe.
Whoa! That's actually pretty cool.
All right. I think I want to eat some of these chips.
Not right now.
Not right now. I think I
They
want
look pretty done, I think.
Yeah, it's getting brown and crispy down there.
Ooh, beautiful.
Oh, crispy.
You want some chips, bud?
Not right. Ooh.
Let's stick in the fire. Stick it in there. Yeah, look at that.
What? That always makes that go on fire.
Careful.
All right.
All right.
I take whoa.
You love camping?
Yeah. This stick is, I want the stick to go right down there.
All right, say bye.
Bye.
Trying to avoid the smoke.